Deakin Child Study Centre, in partnership with the Victorian Department of Education and Training, is delighted to introduce you to AllPlay Learn. AllPlay Learn helps to create inclusive education environments for children and young people with developmental challenges and disabilities through practical online information, courses and resources for educators and teachers, as well as information and resources for parents, children and the community. AllPlay Learn has over 150 web pages for educators, teachers, parents, children, young people and schools. Disability strategy pages, guides and key content about transitions and diagnosis is offered alongside family videos, videos of illustrations of practice, case studies, posters, checklists, stories, animations, and emotion resources that can be downloaded, printed, viewed, and/or listened to directly on the website. AllPlay Learn provides evidence-based strategies for a range of disabilities to support teachers caring for and teaching children of all abilities. AllPlay Learn also includes strategies for supporting children in specific areas, like social skills, emotions, or sensory needs. These are particularly helpful for children who may not have been diagnosed with a specific disability or developmental challenge. Each disability page starts by providing an overview of what that disability might look like in a primary school setting. Areas that may be a strength for children are then outlined. Areas where teachers might provide support are also outlined, using the same strength-based language you'll find across all of the AllPlay Learn resources. Evidence-based strategies are described using simple and practical language. These strategies have been evaluated and found to be effective in primary school settings. AllPlay Learn also provides best practice tips. These are strategies identified as helpful by experts in the field, such as psychologists or occupational therapists. AllPlay Learn outlines the ways in which these strategies may align with the Victorian primary school curriculum. And finally, strategies related to other areas a child may need support with are described. For example, some children with autism may find specific sensory elements of first aid distressing, and so teachers may want to talk to families about how to best manage an injury or illness. In addition to evidence-based strategies for disabilities, AllPlay Learn also outlines strategies specific to a range of common situations children with disabilities may experience at primary school. These strategies cater for a broad range of disabilities and developmental challenges, to enable teachers to establish supports for all children. AllPlay Learn resources include a range of posters, guides, stories, checklists and more that can be printed for use in primary school settings. These resources support teachers, parents and children with disabilities and developmental challenges. AllPlay stories help children learn more about primary school. Each story comes with audio so that children can listen to the story. We have also provided these same stories without pictures, so they can be customised with personal images or photos that are relevant to the child or children you will read it with. AllPlay Learn also provides evidence-based strategies to support the transition of children into and out of primary school settings, evidence-based strategies for social inclusion of children at school, and general information about when and how to seek help if you have concerns about a child's development. In addition to the information and resources provided to teachers, AllPlay Learn also provides information and resources for parents of children with disabilities. AllPlay Learn Inclusive Foundations for Children with Disabilities courses were developed for Victorian long daycare centres, kindergartens and government primary and secondary schools. The courses focus on content knowledge about disabilities and provide strengths and evidence-based strategies that are practical and simple for educators and teachers to implement. Teachers will be able to choose from different lessons within the primary school course to suit their learning and teaching needs and interests. Completing the course takes approximately 4 to 6 hours and includes masterclasses, content videos, school videos, case studies, evaluation and reflection questions, and opportunities for collaborative learning amongst peers.